Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we'll look at using radians to calculate the area of a segment. So this line here is called a chord. A chord is a line in a circle that goes from one side to the other without going through the middle. So a segment is the area bounded by a chord. So this green area shaded is a segment. So how are we going to find its area? See, we know from a previous video how to find the area of a sector. It's just half r squared theta. And we know how to find the area of a triangle. It's just a half r squared theta. This is just using the formula half AB sine C. So here r is the radius and theta is the angle subtended by the arc. So let's find the area of this segment here. If I tell you this chord length is 30 millimeters and this angle here is pi on 8 radians. So firstly, this triangle here has to be isosceles. The radius of the circle is the same no matter where it starts from the circumference. So because the triangle is isosceles, this angle here will also be pi on 8. So we can find theta pretty easily. It will be pi, which is 180 degrees, minus the sum of the other two angles. So theta will be 3 pi on 4 radians, which is 135 degrees. So to find either the area of the sector or the area of the triangle, I need to know r. So fortunately, I know the sine rule. I can use that to find r. So we just have a over sine A equals b over sine B, of course, making sure that I'm lining up a side and its opposite angle. So of course I just solved this equation by multiplying each side by sine pi on 8. So I get r is approximately 16.2359. I'll use 4 decimal points here so that my subsequent steps are not too inaccurate. So I've got theta and r. I've got all I need to calculate the area of the sector and the area of the triangle. So the area of the sector is just half r squared theta, which gives me about 310.55. So to find the area of the triangle, it's exactly the same half r squared, except instead of theta, it's sine theta. So putting that on my calculator, I get 93.1982 centimeters squared. So obviously the shaded area, the area of the segment, is just 310.55 minus this, which is closest to about 217 millimeters squared. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.